Sakha's Meditation Valley? How does it work? Why and how it's important to your journey? Questions are infinite. And now your wait is over. Let's move towards the answer. Let's join the tour. The main 4 pillars of Sakha's Meditation Valley are: as many people who engage in spiritual journey through meditation and find that even after lakhs of efforts, they did not get the taste of meditation which they had listened to with their gurus. We inviting them all to come and join Yog Nidra with Sakha. Yog Nidra. Though the word Yog Nidra is very old and almost every freeman has used this name, but nobody has ever made us acquainted with its actual form. Yes, some yogis merged it with sleep and presented it to the people. But Sakha made us acquainted with its true nature, in which how can we prepare ourselves for the invocation of auspicious and divine consciousness, and also that it can be done only in the connotation of a living master. In this way, one came to realize that Yog Nidra is not a method but a condition where we can purify our consciousness through auspiciousness and divinity. Therapies, in which all types of psychological diseases are treated without medicines, mainly in the form of depression, insomnia, stress, etc. Satsang tourism. This dimension is in its own amazing beauty, because many people nowadays resort to tourism to come out of their daily boring routine. But in every tour they find that they get even more tired. Therefore, a special kind of tourism has been arranged in Sakha's Meditation Valley, in which you do not just come out from your boring routine, but here we change the way you look at life, in which for the first time you again like a child, like refreshing and able to accept life again. In this tour, you have to come for at least 21 days. Here, along with beautiful Sakha's Meditation Valley, we pleased to provide you luxury rooms, rich food, Himalayan water, meditation, yoga, and most importantly, a unique chance to share your life with most special Sakha, with whom you can spend time together and find everyday solutions for your life. Sakha family. This family is the most unique family in itself, because no one is involved in any kind of relationship here. This family is like a garland, in which all of us are dressed like a pearl, in which the Sakha, that thread, works in which love, affection, compassion, along with Sakha's friendship form is also available to us. The first qualification to join this family is that you have come to know the meaninglessness of the families of the world, and you are in search of a new world for which you are willing to sacrifice not only your family but also the reason for which there is sorrow in your life. How does it work? Just be prepared to transform yourself and start a new journey. That's all you have to do. Else, all Sakha's ways to deal that how do he transform you. Also, when you are selected in this family, Sakha family is going to take care for your full responsibility. But keep remembering, it's for you only. And so, Sakha's Meditation Valley has emerged as a ray of hope in this unhappy and unsatisfied society. If you also want to take advantage of any of these 4 dimensions or more than one dimension, we are happy to serve you. Remember, If you dare to take a first step to help yourself, the whole existence starts helping you with all his ways.